Over the next few minutes, we are going to be telling you about animal testing in the cosmetic industry.
So do they get names as well as numbers?
Yes, this is the name, HISOP.
HISOP.
Yet mice were not the only animals to suffer at Wickham for routine batch testing of products. Here, rabbits were restrained for pyrogenicity tests, where the aim is to see if a substance is contaminated. The substance is injected into a vein in the rabbit's ear, like this one, and a thermometer inserted into their anus. The rabbits were immobilized in these stocks for several hours at a time. Here, new rabbits became distressed and struggled to free themselves. Some rabbits have been kept here for years to be reused time and time again. Others like these were killed at the end of the test, their bodies discarded.
Because most of your favorite brands are still, to this day, involved with torturing and in most cases, killing animals. Which of the following cosmetic products do you think are tested on animals? Lipstick, mascara, nail polish. All of these or none of these. Animal testing forced animals to suffer through terrible painfulness. For testing the safety of the products, animals are trapped in cages and shelves. Chemical substances are injected into their bodies or on their hair-off skin. After the poisons start to show, many animals have difficulty walking and also suffer increasingly paralysis and difficulty breathing, then eventually suffocate to death.
Jacqueline Trades wanted to show people what animals go through in cosmetics testing labs, so she became the proverbial guinea pig. Check this out. Fair warning, though, it is a little graphic.
After watching the video, how do you feel? Why is it so much more shocking to people than seeing actual videos of animals being tested in labs? Until now, there are thousands of cosmetic ingredients in the world which are already known to be safe. The cosmetic manufacturers can continue to make their products by using these cosmetic ingredients. Animal testing is not the most reliable way to obtain data because the chemical reactions between animals and human beings may be very different, so the degree of credibility of the data obtained through animal testing is far less reliable than high-quality science researches. In order to get the results, animal testing will take several months or even years. On the other hand, non-animal testing, such as artificial tissue or test tube method, take lower costs and do less harm to animals. Today, because experiments on animals are cruel, expensive, and generally inapplicable to humans, the world's forward-thinking scientists have moved on to develop and use methods for studying and testing products that replace animals and are actually relevant to human health. These modern methods include sophisticated tests using human cells and tissues, advanced computer modeling techniques, and studies with human volunteers. Organs on chips that contain human cells grown in a state-of-the-art system to mimic the structure and function of human organs and organ systems. The chips can be used instead of animals in disease research, drug testing, and toxicity testing, and have been shown to replicate human physiology, diseases, and drug responses more accurately than crude animal experiments do. Computer models can accurately predict the ways that new drugs will react in human body and replace the use of animals in exploratory research and many standard drug tests. Volunteers are given an extremely small one-time drug dose, and sophisticated imaging techniques are used to monitor how the drug behaves in the body. Microdosing can replace certain tests on animals and help screen out drug compounds that won't work in humans so that they won't needlessly advance to government-required animal testing. These and other non-animal methods are not hindered by species differences that make applying animal test results to humans difficult or impossible, and they usually take less time and money to complete. Products that are not tested on animals will have the Leaping Bunny and cruelty-free logo on it. Purchase these products rather than others. Do research online to find companies that practice animal testing and stop supporting them. Consumers are supporting animal cruelty unwittingly when they buy animal-tested products. Many people are still unaware that products they use are tested on animals. Don't let out of sight mean out of mind. Write to companies that do animal experiments to tell them you won't support them until they abolish animal testing. Beauty should not be based on cruelty. Let's stop their suffering right here, right now.